All this talk about food is making me hungry, and with the winter chill in the air, I'm really craving comfort food. One of my favorites is the crispy skin chicken at Brand at Monte Carlo in Las Vegas. That really makes me think of Mum's home cooking. And then there's Nine Fine Irishmen at New York, New York, and their tasty fish and chips, which has me thinking about drinking a pint with my friends. Two totally different restaurants and types of food. So what makes a meal comfort food? We need the advice of an award-winning chef like Hubert Keller. I caught up with Chef Keller as he worked on the finishing touches of his new concept here at Mandalay Bay, Fleur by Hubert Keller. So here we are,
Yes.
Fleur, the
Here we are at
restaurant
Fleur.
in
Yes,
Vegas.
yes, and totally excited.
Chef Keller, it's such a pleasure to finally meet you. I've tasted your food, I've seen your restaurant. Tell us a little bit about Fleur.
In all together, it's going to be like a fun environment. We're going to have a great bar in the front, very social, happening place. So it's going to be exciting. It's not be intimidating, but you really, as a diner, you can see there's some thought behind, some kind and some fun and cool stuff. For example, we're presenting the fries in like a little shooter glass, has the ketchup on the bottom, and they're all sticking in. So when you pull out the French fry,
No.
ketchup is already on
Are
it,
you
right?
serious?
So it's very informal,
I
casual,
love that.
but lots of fun.
It is getting cooler outside, and when it gets colder, I always think of wanting to get down and have a nice, comfortable meal, something that makes me feel comforted. What is your #1 comfort dish?
Probably #1 comfort dish is macaroni and cheese, right? Of course, it's probably much more American than French, right? I just give them the little twist that basically lifting up the macaroni and cheese, and I put some lobster inside and a little bit of truffle. Use some real Gruyere cheese on it. I mean, it can't get better than that, right?
Chef Keller did such a great job on tempting us with his new restaurant. We had to come back and show you the result. Fleur is sophisticated but casual, the perfect place to relax and enjoy some comfort food, like Chef Keller's fabulous lobster mac and cheese. Meanwhile, I headed over to Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill at MGM Grand Las Vegas to have the world-famous chef, Wolfgang Puck, give me some tips on cooking the ideal comfort meal at home. Chef Puck, it's such an honor to finally meet you. I'm a big fan of your restaurants and your food.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy to be here today because it's that time of year where everybody wants to know the pointers and tips on comfort food.
Well, I really believe in America, the #1 comfort food is beef. It can be a small hamburger on a roadside hamburger stand, or it can be a luxurious hamburger like we make here at the Bar and Grill.
So you've got the beef cooking over here.
And then we grill it really well. Now you can see here, look at that.
That's excellent. So what is this, Chef?
This is our onion marmalade with balsamic vinegar. So it gives a little kick to your hamburger. Instead of having raw onions, this you can digest and you can kiss somebody later without having an onion bread.
Well, thank you so much, Chef. It looks beautiful.
Thank
and I
you.
know I can't wait to go home
Oh, it will be
and try
delicious.
and do this in my own house.
If not, you come here and I cook it for you.
Oh, that's wonderful. Lucky for you, you don't have to wait to sample some award-winning comfort food. Just head to one of these tantalizing venues. As an MLife member, enjoy priority seating at these and other MGM Resorts restaurants. Log on to mlife.com for a full list of benefits and become a member by signing up at the MLife Players Club in the casino. Next on MLife TV, we say it every new year, I will get into shape. We'll share some inspired ways to help you keep your commitment.